Welcome to Behr Presents How to Paint a Room. We're going to walk you through some simple steps that will help you transform your old room into a brand new one. Remember, you don't need to be a pro to do the job like a professional. But before we get started, there are some tools you'll need to get. All right, it's time to prep your room. Before you start painting, there are a few things that need to be done. Move your furniture and cover it and the floor with drop cloths. Easy peasy. Now take a second to remove the cover plates from your light switches and outlets. Oh, and if you need to fill any small holes, you can do that with a bit of spackle. Once it's dry, just gently sand it. To learn more about repairing holes, check out our other video. Give your walls a final wipe to make sure they're fully clean. We're almost there. Now it's time to tape off the areas you'd like to paint inside. Make sure you press down firmly. This will prevent any paint from seeping behind the tape. The room is prepped, the walls are clean, and you're ready to rock. After stirring the paint, dip your angle sash brush in the paint and paint along the tape to form a border double the width of the brush. This is called cutting in. Now, grab your roller and dip it in the paint. Make sure it's totally saturated. Roll it up and down onto the tray to remove the excess paint. Now, roll a W on the wall with your roller and fill in the empty spaces top to bottom, bottom to top. That's your mantra. Repeat this until you've covered your whole wall. While the paint is still wet, remove the tape. Once you've done that, clean up your tools with some warm soapy water. And just like that, you're all done. Nice work. Enjoy your brand new room. Find your next project by checking out some of our other Behr how-to videos.